The president of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent H Pala, during an interaction with media persons, assured that the Congress party in the state will make a comeback in 2023. Pala, who had cited various drawbacks of the incumbent government, also said that the general public has lost their faith in the NPP-led MDA government and therefore would like to vote the Congress party back to power in Meghalaya.
I've seen the report card. I think I should need to study and find out exactly. But whatever report card they are giving, I think people will lose the trust on because whatever they promised in the manifesto, whatever they promised in the election, they could not fulfill it. So I don't think the report card alone will work.
The coal mining resumption.
Yeah, the coal mining is a big issue in almost more than 1 million people in Meghalaya depends on coal mining, direct and indirect. I think what they have promised within 180 days, it'll open. That it opens only for high level. You know, they've stopped coal mining, but if you pay money, then it'll be open. They stop the different. For example, even like sand mining, when you give money, it'll open. Now they have stopped even the limestone mining, and if you give money, they'll open. So they stopped for it. Yesterday I was in They said now they start the high level, the corruption has started even for bitter nuts and suparis and everything. So the harassment to the public is right from the farmers to the miners, and it has increased a lot. So I think whatever they give them, I don't think that people will trust them.
So coming to the CAA, can you tell us what is the stand of the party? Because the NPP itself was divided, but they are now claiming they are the ones who are now fighting for that.
So NPP did what they spoke in Parliament. That is enough, I don't think. And Congress is very clear. If we come back to power, we'll withdraw the CAA. I think the ICC is very clear. Last time Rahul Gandhi has said that. So I think that's very clear. Not it's my views, but the ICC's view also. So we oppose in Parliament, we oppose it outside, we oppose in Assam, we oppose it everywhere.
So they are saying that in this time in the election, the Congress is already the Congress has broken down, and so the regional parties have a very good chance. What do you think?
I think the history will tell. People just perception, like BJP last time they said that they are going to get so many seats, and UDP said so many seats, NPP. That is not, I think, that's not the results. The result will be the outcome of after 1.5 months we are going for elections. It's too early to count your chickens right from now. You have to count only after it is late. So I think what they have said is that perception is not known. You have also to see that whatever you say, whatever you promise, whether that can be